Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my next video on HTML canvas graphics. So the HTML canvas element is used to draw the graphics on web page. The graphics is to the left is created canvas. It show for four elements: a rectangle, gradient, rectangle, a multicolor rectangle and multicolor text. This is first one rectangle, this is gradient rectangle, this is multicolor rectangle, this is multi-text. So this is the canvas object how to visible in our web page. So what is HTML canvas? The HTML canvas element is used to draw graphics on the web page via JavaScript. The canvas element is only a container for graphics. You must use JavaScript to actually draw the graphics. Canvas has several methods for drawing the path, boxes, circle and text and adding the images. So mostly we are using for paths, boxes, circles, text and adding the images. So canvas example, canvas is a HTML element, ID my canvas, width 200, height 100. Close the canvas tag. Note, always specify ID attribute to be referred to an script. And width and height attribute to define the size of the canvas, means height and width. To add a border to the style to the attribute. And so add a JavaScript. After creating the rectangle canvas area, you must add JavaScript to do the drawing the canvas. Here some example. Let's go to my notepad. I explain one example for canvas. This is my first canvas. I took the canvas tag, ID my canvas, width 200, height 100, style border 1 pixel solid, some color I given. Your browser does not support HTML canvas tag. 1 second, I will check it. My folder, I open my canvas web page. Yeah, this is my canvas web page. Yeah, this is my canvas. I given one border 1 pixel solid black. If you change it as some red color, easy to understand it, I think. So when refresh it, yeah, one solid pixel red color is applied to my canvas. This is a basic example for canvas. If you have any doubt on it, please inspect on it. Easy to understand how to create the canvas. So just click on the inspect element. Canvas, ID my canvas, width 200. Width means this place to this place. Height is 100 from top to bottom. Width means left to right. And border 1 pixel solid red. This is 1 pixel solid red. So this is the concept of the canvas. Simple example I given now. And one more example for draw the circle. This is very interesting. Canvas ID and width, height, same things. Here I choose the one JavaScript code. This is HTML classes. Next I release the JavaScript classes videos also. Please wait for my videos. Now a basic example I given here on the JavaScript. document.getElement by id of my canvas, and c.text2d and begin path. I given some margins and stroke by using. So when I go to my web page, this is my web page in my local system. When I double click on it, this is, if you want to draw the one circle on the web page, then we can choose the canvas. By using canvas, we can create a circle on the web page. This is an object of the canvas. The block border is circle. This is all canvas. This is, by using the JavaScript, I draw the one canvas. Line means circle line. This is this. By using this code, I draw the circle line within the canvas. So this is the concept of the circle. And one more thing, draw the circle with the gradient. Let's go to that concept also. We can see. This is the draw the circle, color circle, but some with gradient. This is the concept of the circle with gradient. I open here. I choose the one gradient color only. This is the gradient color specifically, and give the add color stop red, add color stop to the white. This is the combination of the color gradient. Fill the gradient, fill style, this gradient, fill rectangle. Draw the line as rectangle. So this is the rectangle gradient, and in between our gradient canvas color. So this is the concept of the circle with the gradient color. Draw the image. Now this is my canvas id object. I choose the one JavaScript here. Document.getElement by id, my canvas id, text2d, and stream. This is the stream of the image. That image I put into my canvas, within the canvas. So let's go to my local folder. Then we can see let's bring the page in our browser. This is the my image. When I click and write, here I written my button, click button, on click. This is JavaScript event. When I click on, this method is called, and these lines of code will be executed. Let's go to my browser. Just I click on here, then this image will be showing within the canvas, like this. So this is the concept of the canvas with the JavaScript. You can draw the image within the canvas. Draw the line. This is my canvas HTML id, JSON id, document.getElement by id, and get text, context 2d, move to 0, 0, line to 202, width and height 100, stroke. Let's go to this example also. I will show in my system. This is the whole canvas from starting to ending. This is the line I draw from JavaScript. So this is the line to and move to these lines by using we can draw the line in a canvas. Draw the text. This is the same concept of this is canvas HTML, my canvas ID, and object font 30 pixel Arial. This is the object, canvas object. Fill the text hello world. Let's go to this example also I will show in my browser. Draw the text hello world. By using the canvas we can write the text also in our web page. The next one is linear gradient. Linear gradient means this is my canvas object. Create linear gradient and add some color, red color, and the style. Fill the style of the canvas with the rectangle. Let's go to the my local page and exit the web browser, then we can easy to understand. This is the gradient and the rectangle. This is the concept of the linear gradient and the stock text. Next one is stock text. Within the stock in canvas, if you want to write some text, then like this we can write. This is my canvas object. Stock text hello world 10,50. Just go to my local page. Here I created my web page. This is stock hello world. Means the not a plain text, there is some border and white color within the text. So this is a concept of the canvas. So by using the canvas we can draw the objects like lines, circle, rectangle, and boxes, path, circle, text, and adding the images. So this is the concept of the HTML canvas. I hope guys you have understood this concept. Please keep practice on it. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe the channel, and please click on the bell icon for next new video notification you will get. Thank you.